Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the market. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
Today's economic calendar is packed with key events that are set to shape the trading landscape. Traders will be closely monitoring the release of the ADP employment change data, unemployment claims, and the ISM manufacturing PMIs, as well as a speech from FMOC member Harker. Each of these will provide insight that could generate fresh fundamental trading opportunities. Don't miss out on our technical analysis for today on foreign currencies, indices, and commodities, which will be shared towards the end of this video.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
In currency news, the US dollar retraced from its 2-month high following remarks by the Federal Reserve Governor and Vice Chairman nominee Philip Jefferson. His comments indicated that the central bank's decision to hold its benchmark overnight interest rate firm at the upcoming meeting does not signify the end of a monetary policy tightening. This prompted investors to revise their expectations, with the likelihood of a June rate hike now standing at a 1 in 3, as reflected in the futures price tied to the Fed's policy rate. Turning to Wall Street, stocks faced a downturn as market attention remained fixated on the federal debt ceiling debate in Washington. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 0.6%. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq retreated 0.6% and 0.3% respectively. American Airlines Group boosted its second quarter profits estimate due to lower jet fuel cost and strong travel demand, which lifted its shares by 2% in pre-market trade. Despite concerns of a potential recession, travel demand has remained resilient. In the commodities market, oil prices fell over 2%, nearing their lowest level of the year. Worries about dropping demand weighed on investor sentiment, amplified by China's latest manufacturing data indicating a larger than expected decline in May. Traders also anticipate that OPEC may refrain from implementing additional production cuts during its upcoming meeting, further dampening oil prices and potentially leading to new lows for 2023. Despite OPEC's efforts to reduce production since October, crude prices have declined by more than 10%. Finally, let's discuss gold. The yellow metal experienced choppy trading as market participants awaited further developments on the US debt ceiling issue. An increasingly hawkish outlook on the Federal Reserve supported the US dollar, posing challenges for the non-yielding assets like gold. Rising interest rates have weighed on gold throughout 2022 due to the higher opportunity cost of holding the precious metal. However, in the event of a US default, gold may witness increased safe haven demand, potentially triggering a recession. Now let's delve into our technical analysis for today, starting with Euro USD, followed by the S&P 500, and concluding with crude oil and the gold analysis. Let's start things off with Euro USD. The fiber is currently trading below the diagonal resistance and above a horizontal support. A break above the resistance with a close at 1.074 could trigger a fresh rally. Conversely, a break below the support with a close at 1.065 might fuel a continuation of the downward trend. The S&P 500 index is consolidating at the moment. A break and a close above 4,195 could drive a push back up to the previous resistance. On the other hand, a break below 4,172 may lead to a continuation of the correction towards a previous support. WTI experienced a decline, reaching the primary support level yesterday as anticipated. It is now forming a double bottom formation. If there is a close above 69.4, it could potentially trigger a correction back up to 71.9. The yellow metal is currently in a consolidation mode. A break and a close above 1969.8 might ignite a rally towards the next resistance level. Conversely, a close below 1958.5 could trigger a decline back down to the previous support.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the peace be with you. Cheers.